Hi, my name is Roxana, and I was born in Riga, Latvia in 1994. I moved to Canada when I was 6 years old to start grade 1. English, however, isn't my first language and was very difficult for me to learn as I mainly spoke Russian at home. Reading helped a lot with that, and reading is still a great passion of mine. Anytime I can pick up a good novel is a time I will definitely take for me. I also have two brothers who I'm very close with, one older and one younger. And as I'm very close with them, spending time with friends and family is a great priority to me. I also love to travel, and as though I haven't gotten to do a ton of it as I've been in school for a long time, but I hope that once I finish school and finish my degree, I will be able to travel a little bit more and see the world, and especially go to Europe, because that's one of the places I dream of going. In addition, I also love to just spend time at the pool and enjoy the summer and enjoy the hot months. But I am a February child, and so wintertime is also one of my favorites. Just playing in the snow and going ice skating and watching the Leafs play. And hopefully win the Stanley Cup this year. That would be great. And that's just a little about me. Thank you.